Alright, it's me again, folks. In neighborhood, can do it guy. What we have here is a twin base, 2-meter base bank. And what we're going to do is remove this one. Remove this. This here is a 3-core 50mm. It goes right up to the roof for the connection from the electrical company, and it comes down here. Now this box is going to be removed, and we're going to put this brand new one, 3. I hope you get a good view of it there. Alright, this meter bank, it's locally made in Trinidad. Right, it comes with the graphics on it already, and so that splitter is going to go up here. What I'm trying to do is get all of these armoured cable that is already existing to be wired into this. So I'm trying my best to take it out without damaging the PVC and so on. Removing this, I'm putting this new one back right on the wall here. So that's what I'm looking to do. So once the project is finished, you'll get a view of it better as well. Right? So that's the mess that I created. I'm going to do that today. Hopefully we have nice weather, beautiful weather in Trinidad and Tobago. We're working on 2 fronts here. My guy is doing some mason work over there, and I'm going to be doing this task for the next couple hours or so. Alright, so stay tuned and keep watching.